Hi everyone, welcome back to Ellie Pop's Bespoke YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do another one of the Inspired By series, and this time it is going to be Dumbo. Obviously the new film is out now in cinemas, so it's quite popular, and I have been sent this Feltie from Emma Jo Felties. I'll pop the link to her website in the description box. And I've also been sent this fabric pack from Mama's Bow Fabrics. It is one of her sort of savings packs, which is specially designed for the Dumbo. So it comes with a red mirror. This is a cotton felt backed stripe. It does come with the feathers as well. I've got 3 feathers there. There is a gorgeous grey suede, also felt backed, and a yellow satin, which is also felt backed. So today I'm going to pop these in this order. So we're going to have, got my templates here. It's a 4.5 inch bow template. We use the bottom with the stripe, the middle with the grey, and the satin with the top. So this is to represent the bottom being the circus theme, the middle being Dumbo's body, and the yellow being his hat. Now we're going to use the feathers. Some of these are quite big, so we're going to see which one looks best when we've done, but I think I'm going to use the smallest one, but they're really good quality feathers as well. You're also going to need a pair of scissors. I've got a pen to draw around my templates, but whatever you use to draw around your templates, and a 65mm alligator clip and a glue gun. So first of all, we're going to draw around these templates. So we're going to draw around the bottom on the stripe. Now it's up to you which way you want your stripes. I'm going to do them horizontally, which is that way. Vertically would be this way. I'm going to have horizontal stripes. Then we are going to have that one on there and that one on there. So I'm going to go ahead, draw around the templates, cut them out, and I'll show you what to do next. So I've cut these templates out. We've got the bottom, the middle and the top. We're going to use this for the centerpiece, don't worry about that just now. So first of all, we need to stick them together. I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue, put it in the middle there and fold the edges in. What I will say with this suede fabric is make sure you have a really sharp pair of scissors, because this suede fabric with the felt on the back is quite stiff to cut through, and if you want a nice clean cut edge on there, you do need a sharp pair of scissors. The scissors that I use are called Scotch Titanium. You get a 3-pack, which is good. So I've got one for fabrics, one for glitters, and one for everything else. Okay, so we're going to glue this one together just the same. And then we're going to glue them together. Now we're going to glue the top and the middle together first. Just because we want to see where the feather's going to go, and I want that to go in between the layers of these. So I'm going to get the feathers. As I say, there's a small, a medium and large there. Don't know if that's intentional for your preference, but we're going to have a look what they look like. I'm just going to hold that in place. I see some little bits. I'm just going to cut these little bits of felt that have been missed. That's it. So the large feather is going to be a little bit too big for this one. We're going to pop the Feltie here. So this looks like it's coming out of Dumbo's cap. That one looks quite big, so we're not going to use that one. Medium sized one. Again, still a little bit big. I think we're going to go with the small one. Or we can fan this out a little bit. Obviously you can have it nice and smooth if you want it to be, but I'm just going to rough it up a little bit. Beauty of these feathers is they will go back nice and smooth if you want them to. Just have a play around with it. Don't quite like it like that with the gaps in, and we're going to put it at a bit of an angle so it's not sticking straight up. It's a bit of an angle like that. So when I take this off, that's where it needs to go. Now this stem is a little bit too large, so we're going to cut that off a little bit. Just a tiny bit so it doesn't stick down the other end of the, stick through the bottom of the bow. And we're going to glue this onto there. So we're just going to pop a little bit of glue on the back. And stick it on there like that at a bit of an angle. And then we're going to stick this layer on. And I'm going to put some glue just on this bit as well, so that it does stick to the back of the bow. So put that in position. And just press down until I can feel it's stuck, which it has. There we go. And there we have that, and you can ruffle it up a little bit again. Okay, so now we're going to put the clip on the back. Just put some glue along that edge. And as you can see, because you've sandwiched that behind this, you've got no problem putting the clip on. It makes it a lot neater and tidier. So we are going to cut, you can measure this out, but usually around 1 centimetre wide, 10 millimetres. I'm just going to cut a strip big enough to wrap around the middle. You can use a scrap piece of fabric, or you can just cut one like that. And then we're going to open the clip, pop some glue in the middle, as always, and wrap this round the clip, like that. And cut off any excess. I think I'm nearly ready for a new pair of scissors. And we just pop some glue on there, open the back of the clip and push it under like that, and that holds that in place. So now we're going to add the Feltie. This Feltie is absolutely gorgeous. It is made by Emma Jo Felties. Like I say, we'll pop a link in the description. The website is currently down as of today, the 2nd of May, as she is building a new website. So I'll update the link as soon as I have the new one. But for now, that's where it's from. Keep an eye on the video and I'll keep you updated with her website. She's absolutely fantastic with Felties and does all sorts of different designs. worth checking out. And we're just going to pop that on there like that. Sort of 3D effect off of the bow. And there we go. So we have Dumbo inspired double layer bow. It's about 4.5 inches wide, long. Very neat on the back. And like I say, you can have this ruffled up, which is how I like it, or you can keep it smooth. You can use as big or small bow as you like. You can use different types of feathers, but these are the ones that do come with the kit from Mama's Bow Fabrics. I'll also put a link to that in the description. It comes in a kit. The only thing extra you need to buy is the clip and the felty. And she's got all sorts of saving sets for lots of my Inspired By series, as well as she does lots of fabrics for school bows, satins, suedes, ginghams, glitters, all sorts of different fabrics. She's also got some cool colour changing fabrics, which I am going to feature in one of my videos. I absolutely love colour changing fabrics. So if you want to give this a try, pop over to Mama's Bow Fabrics and Emma Jo Felties. Get all the things you need, make your very own Inspired By bows. Let me know what you think of this in the comments below. Give me a like and a subscribe if you're not already. And also pop over to my Facebook group where you can show off what you've made or ask any questions. And that is Ellie Pop's Bespoke YouTube, which I'll also put a link to in the description. So any comments you have, pop in the comments section or join that group, and I try to answer as many comments as I can. And yeah, hope you enjoy it. Give it a try and let me know how you get on. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.